Okay, for you the cue card is describe the person you spend the most time with, and then we have the cues. So you have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Your time start now.
Well, I have spent many time with my friend, but one of my friends is that Ikra. Her name is Ikra, and I like him. I like her very much. I usually spend most of the time with her. We also completed our graduation together, and even after graduation, we are contact. We are still in contact, and even in lockdown, we usually chat through social media like WhatsApp and Facebook, etc. I like her very much because her nature is very friendly. She is very helpful, and she is also very confident. And she guides me very well in every problem. And I don't feel any hesitation to share anything. I share every problem of my life with her, and she also guides me very well. And when we and in my last year, when I want to go to admission in university, she guide me about universities and also subject. And even now I want to go abroad, I also tell her, and she guide me which country is suits for you, and also which subject is suits for you, and also tell us which type of job is suits for me. And we usually go for shopping together, and we also go for a movie at the weekend.
Okay, you spoke for 1 minute 50 seconds, and overall you spoke well. You made many good sentences. I just found few mistakes, like initially you said many time. Many and time cannot come together because many comes with countable noun. So it should be most of the time, right? Or much time I spend with my friend. Then you corrected yourself. You were confused between him or her, but you corrected yourself. That's fine. Then you said she guide me. It should have been she guides me. Subject verb agreement. And during your talk there were so many pauses. You need to overcome them as well. And then you said country is suits for you, or country suits me, and all that. And you repeated the word suit 4-5 times. You should overcome that because that comes in repetition as well. Now we move on to speaking part 3. How many generations usually live together in your country?
In our country, usually many families live together.
Many families live together. We never say are live. Okay. Many families live together.
Many families live together. Usually 3 generations live together, not more. And mostly nowadays, children are go.
Children are go. Same mistake. Children go.
Children go for higher studies to abroad, and after they completed their studies, they live together with their parents.
Okay. Is it important to visit family members?
Yes, it is very important to visit family members because it gives us happiness, and when we visit to our family members, we feel secure, and we also share our problems with our family members.
Why is family bonding necessary for happiness in life?
Family bonding is very necessary for happiness of life because it gives us happiness.
It gives us
happiness, and we feel secure, and it's our culture to live together.
Okay, you need to expand your answer in speaking part 3. Considering all these mistakes and the pauses which are the hurdle towards fluency, I would give you a bench score 6, but with a little extra effort, I mean, if you perform well on that day, you can easily make it 6.5, right? Okay, thank you.